In this demonstration, we present TRAVID, an end-to-end video translation framework where user can simply log in and translate videos into 4 Indian languages: Hindi, Bengali, Telugu and Nepali. Traditional methods of language translation system mostly lack the context provided by the speaker as well as facial expressions and lip movements. To address these issues, we came up with TRAVID, where we mainly focus on educational lecture translations. The students or users of the application would become more motivated and focused. To begin, the user should go to travid.live, which will take them to our site. It is both educational and useful with a convenient section split. To access the translation system, existing user must log in or new user must register. After signing in, the user will be led to the framework score area. The user must pick the desired target language and the gender of the speaker. User can now record in real time or submit an MP4 file as an input. When you select the translate option, an output is generated, which is then presented on the output screen. Here you can watch both original and translated video side by side.
The stars in the night sky have fascinated the human mind. They have roused the human curiosity for few thousands of years, over few thousands of years.
রাতের আকাশে তারাগুলো মানুষের মনকে মুগ্ধ করেছে। কয়েক হাজার বছর ধরে তারা মানুষের কৌতূহল জাগিয়েছে। কয়েক হাজার বছর ধরে।
One also have an opportunity to download both the translated video and the text. User can also explore the demo area, which includes recordings of test cases. Although this technology is still in its initial stage, we hope it can change the way we interact with individuals from other languages and countries.